Let me ask you a question. How would you describe your contract management system? Disorganized, outdated, understaffed, manual, and inefficient, non-existent? Well, if you said anything other than a streamlined, automated machine, you've come to the right place. Assuming you have a contract management system, it's likely disorganized, with employees always scrambling, sending endless emails back and forth, constantly comparing different versions of contracts to find the most recent one, trying to track down the person with signing power, missing crucial deadlines and renewals, suffering payment errors, penalties, all of which increase your risk of litigation. They're busy, and they try hard, but are they really able to keep up with manually tracking and administering all the piles of contracts virtually every business generates? Yet at the core of business today are contracts. They govern everything from employees' actions to the business entity itself. These days, if you want to grow without increasing your risk of cost overruns and litigation, you need a streamlined, automated contract management system. In fact, according to Entrepreneur Magazine, if your company has more than 10 contracts, you will benefit from even a basic contract management system. But how do you do it? How do you keep all of your contracts just one click away? Stay on top of expiration dates and milestones. Keep alert to renewal opportunities. Streamline your approval process. Always meet your contractual obligations and enforce your rights. And how do you build a system customized for your exact needs? And how do you do it if you're not an expert contract manager yourself? Fortunately, we have an answer. It's called Contract Assistant. With Contract Assistant, you're covered in the three most important facets of contract management. Number one, contract storage. With Contract Assistant, your contracts are always just one click away, stored in virtual file cabinets so documents can never be lost. Contract Assistant centralizes all of your contract information and supports multiple databases. Number two, contract tracking and searchability. Inside Contract Assistant software, you can customize nearly all the data fields. Customization requires very little technical skills. Our standard and pro editions offer a robust notes and comment tabs at the bottom of every contract, which hold a huge amount of information, all of which can be searched using keywords. Number three, reporting and alerts. Alerts will notify managers that a contract is renewing, expiring, or a key provision is about to take place. Contract Assistant keeps all of your contracts top of mind, so you can enforce contractual obligations and collect all the money that's due to you. Users can set multiple alarms, making sure deadlines are not missed. The software offers multiple security options, including read-only databases, role-based permissions, field-level security, and security access groups. When you download the software, you'll find it easy to navigate, which means a fast learning curve for you. And thanks to our quick start guide, you'll be up and running quickly. And if your company tracks contracts in Microsoft Excel, Access, or SQL, Contract Assistant will help with the migration, so you can be up and running in no time. When you're done, you'll have a coordinated contract management system customized for your company that tracks your contracts like a streamlined, automated machine. You'll finally have all of your contracts just one click away. Stay on top of expiration dates, renewal opportunities, and enforce your rights, all of while minimizing your risk of litigation and costly renewals of unfavorable contracts. And thanks to our simple flat rate pricing, you won't blow your budget. This is how great contract management systems are built. Now, there are more complicated and expensive systems out there, but ask yourself, do you really have the time to learn all the confusing steps of overly complicated systems? Or do you want to get up and running fast and not have to constantly relearn every time you want to change something? Not to mention all the hours that you have to spend learning those other systems. So here's what you need to do next. Just sign up today and let our industry-recognized software transform your messy file cabinet system into a streamlined, automated machine. And best of all, if you worry about your data being safe on the web, Contract Assistant software runs locally, so you can rest easy knowing your data is secure. So sign up today. Contract Assistant. This is how great contract management systems are built. Download your free trial now.